Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salya Bintari Indra Putri, student number 22, 41, 10, and 83. In this video, I will explain about organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a study of how individuals, groups, and structures influence behavior within organization. The goal of this study is to improve organizational effectiveness through a better understanding of its internal dynamic. Definition of organizational behavior in general is organizational behavior refers to the way people behave in the workplace and how that behavior affects organizational performance. This includes individual behavior, interaction between individual and organizational structure and process. Goal and benefit of studying organizational behavior. First, improving productivity and performance. By understanding how individuals are motivated, managers can adjust the way they lead, reward, or create working conditions that make employees work more effectively and efficiently. For example, if employees feel satisfied and their work is relevant, they tend to work harder and more productively. 2. Improving work relationship. Positive interaction between managers, employees, and co-workers contribute to a good work atmosphere. When communication is smooth, work relationship can be more harmonious and productive. Understanding organizational behavior can help resolve conflict that may arise and create a more collaborative environment. 3. Managing change. Change in an organization often creates resistance or tension. By understanding behavioral dynamics, organizations can better plan for change and reduce employee resistance. This is especially important in the modern era where organizations are often faced with technological market and regulatory change. 4. Understanding group dynamic. In organizational tasks are performed over time. Group dynamic, including how rules are taken, how decisions are made, and how conflicts are resolved, greatly affect the end result. By understanding group behavior, managers can form effective teams and ensure they work in sync to achieve common goals. 5. Increasing job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is an important factor that influences employee motivation, commitment, and loyalty. By understanding organizational behavior, companies can create an environment that supports employee mental and physical well-being. This can be done by providing rewards, supporting work-life balance, or creating a positive work culture, which in turn can improve individual and organizational performance. Next components of behavior in organization. Behavior in organization is divided into several important components, including first, individual behavior. Individual behavior in the workplace is influenced by many factors, including personality, values, attitudes, perfection, and motivation. Some important aspects of individual behavior are personality, attitude and values, and motivation. 2. Group behavior. In many organizations, work is done in teams or groups. The study of group behavior involves understanding group dynamic, how groups interact, and how decisions are made within groups. Some important aspects of group behavior is group norms, leadership, and communication. 3. Organizational structure. Organizational structure refers to the way an organization is structured, including the division of tasks, hierarchy, and flow of responsibilities. A good structure will influence how communication occurs, decision-making, and coordination occurs within the organization. And 4. Organizational culture. Organizational culture is the values, beliefs, and norms that are shared by members of an organization and that shape their behavior. A strong organizational culture can create a greater sense of identity and continuity among employees. Next, factor affecting behavior in organization. First, organizational environment. The organizational environment includes the work atmosphere, policies, and culture that apply in the workplace. This environment creates the context in which individuals operate. For example, is work atmosphere. A positive and supportive environment will encourage productivity and job satisfaction. Conversely, an environment full of stress, unhealthy competition, or conflict can reduce employee motivation. 2. Organizational structure. Organizational structure refers to the way an organization is structured, including the division of responsibilities, job hierarchy, and decision-making process. This structure affects interaction between employees, responsibility and roles, and decision-making. 3. Leadership. The leadership style of a manager or leader greatly influences employee behavior. Different types of leadership will produce different results. For example, is leader who listen to input from subordinates and encourage participation in decision-making tend to create a more open and productive work environment. 4. Communication. Communication is a key factor influencing individuals and group behavior in an organization. Good communication will support effective coordination and optimal performance. Some aspects of communication that are influential is effective communication, information flow, and communication technology. Okay, that's all explanation about organizational behavior from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.